Hello student, now we have to discuss about distance of a point from a line. So distance of a point from a line is nothing but the length of a perpendicular drawn from a point to the line is what? The length of a perpendicular drawn from a point to the line. So here we have to find this perpendicular distance. Here let's consider that the equation of line L as ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, whose distance from the point P with the coordinate x1 comma y1 is what? D is what? D. So here we have to find this perpendicular distance D. So let's discuss the formula for it. So here the distance of point from a line is given by the formula is given by the formula D is equals to mod of a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. So here the formula is mod of a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. So let's see one example based on this. So here consider the values of x1 y1 as 2 comma 1 and the equation of line is 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So let's solve this equation. So here we have to find what? The distance D, which is what? The perpendicular distance from the point P to the line L. So here we have to find this distance by this formula. The given equation is 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So by comparing with general equation, what we get? The general equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So compare this with this, what we get? A as 2, b as 1 and c, what we get? 1. And the point is what? The point is 2 comma 1 and the point is x1 comma y1 is what? 2 comma 1. So here we have to just put all these values in the formula. So the distance D can be given by mod of A is what? A is what? 2. So just put 2. x1 is what? 2 plus what is the value of B? B is what? 1 into what is the value of y1? Is 1. So just put 1. What is the value of C? C is 1. So just put 1 upon under root of a square plus b square. I know a is what? 2 cos square plus b is what? 1 cos square. So what we get? 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 upon, so this is completely in mod. So mod of 4 plus 1 plus 1 upon under root of 2 cos square is 4, 1 का square is 1. So what we get? 4 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 6 upon 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So we get 6 upon under root of 5 units. So this is the perpendicular distance from the point P to the line L for this question. Now let's see one more question based on this. So the question is, find the distance of the point 3 comma minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equals to 0. Option A 2 units, option B 3 units, option C 3 by 5 units, option D 5 by 3 units. So let's solve this question. So the given equation is what? The given equation is what? 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equals to 0. So by comparing with general equation ax plus by plus c, the general equation is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So when comparing with general equation, what we get? A is equals to 3, B is equals to minus 4 and C is equals to minus 26, and the given point is what? x1 comma y1 is 3 comma minus 5. So here we have to find the distance of the point 3 comma minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equals to 0. So here we have to apply the same formula what we discussed. The formula is D is equals to mod of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C upon under root of A square plus B square. So this is the formula to find the distance of a point from the line is what? Mod of A into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. So here we have to just put all the values in the formula. So what is a? Is 3 into x1. x1 is what? 3 plus b. b is what? Minus 4. So just put minus 4 into y1 is what? y1 is minus 5 plus c is what? Minus 26 upon under root of what is a? 3 का square. What is b? Minus 4. So minus 4 का square. 3 into 3. So in a mod 3 into 3 is 9 plus minus 4 into minus 5 is what? 20 plus into minus is minus 26 as it is upon under root of 3 का square 9 plus minus 4 का square 16. 9 plus 20 is 29 minus 26 in a mod upon under root of 9 plus 16 is what? 25. So here is square root of 25. So what we get now? 29 minus 26 is 3 upon square root of 25 is what? 5 units. So which option is correct? 3 upon 5. So here option C is correct. So the next question is, find the distance of a point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12 into in a bracket x plus 6 is equals to 5 into in a bracket y minus 2. Option A 2 units, option B 6 units, option C 3 units, option D 5 units. Here the given equation is 12 into in a bracket x plus 6 is equals to 5 into y minus 2 in a bracket. So here we have to convert this equation in journal form. For that we have to multiply 12 inside the bracket and 5 inside the bracket. So let's do this. So here we get 12x plus 12 into 6 is what? 72 is equals to 5 into y minus 5 into 2 is what? 10. So therefore what we get now? 12x, send 5y to the left side, what we get? Minus 5y plus 72 as it is, and this minus 10 we have to send to the left side. So what we get? Plus 10 is equals to 0. Now 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 is what? 82 is equals to 0. Now compare with journal equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. What we get? A is equals to what? A is equals to 12, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to 82. And what about the point? What about the point? x1 comma y1 is what? Minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1. So here we have to apply the same formula, because here we have to find again distance of a point from a line. So the formula is d is equals to mod of a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. So put all these values into the formula. What we get? A is 12 into x1 is minus 1 plus b is what? Minus 5, y1 is what? 1 plus c is what? 82 upon under root of what is a? 12 का square plus b is what? Minus 5. Now in a mod 12 into minus 1 is what? Minus 12. Minus 5 into 1 is what? Minus 5. So what we get? Minus 5 plus 82 as it is upon under root of 12 का square is what? 144 plus 5 का square is what? 25. Now what we get in a mod? Minus 12 minus 5 is what? Minus 17 plus 82 upon under root of 144 plus 25 is what? 169. Now after solving this, what we get? 82 minus 17 plus 82 minus 17. What we get? 65 upon the square root of 169 is what? 13. Now 13 ones are 13, 13 5s are 65. So the answer is 5 units. So the correct option is 5 units. So the next question is, find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equals to 1 are 4 units. Option A, minus 2 comma 0 and 8 comma 0. Option B, minus 1 comma 0 and 8 comma 0. Option C, minus 2 comma 0 and 6 comma 0. Option D, minus 2 comma 0 and 7 comma 0. So you have noticed that in question we have to find points on the x-axis whose distances are 4 units. So here we have to consider that let P with the coordinate x comma 0 lying on the x-axis whose distances are, means D is given. So D is equals to 4 units. And what is the equation of line over here? The given line is what? The given equation of line is what? X upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equals to 1. Here we have to convert this equation in general form. So for that we have to cross multiply. So for that we have to cross multiply. So after cross multiply, what we get? 4x plus 3 into y upon 3 into 4 is what? 12 is equals to 1. After simplifying, what we get? 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. After simplifying, what we get? 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now compare with general equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. What we get? We get what? A as 4, B as 3 and C as minus 12. And the point is what? And the point is this. And the point is what? This x1 comma y1. So here x1 is what? X, and the value of y1 is 0. So we have to put these values in the formula. And what is the formula? D is equals to mod of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C upon under root of A square plus B square. So what we get after putting? A is what? In a mod 4 into x1 is what? X plus B is what? 3 into what is the value of y1 is 0 plus C is what? Minus 12. A is 4, so 4 ka square plus B is what? 3, so 3 ka square. Now what we get after solving this? D is what given over here? D is given 4 units. So just put D is what? 4. So 4 is equals to mod of 4x plus 3 into 0 is 0, no need to write, minus 12 upon under root of 4 ka square is 16, 3 ka square is 9. Now after solving this, what we get over here, 4 is equals to mod of 4x minus 12 upon 16 plus 9 is what? 25, and square root of 25 is what? 5. Now after simplifying, what we get? Mod of 4x minus 12 is equals to, we have to just multiply with 4. So what we get? Mod of 4x minus 12 is equals to 20. Now we know that if mod is removed from the left side, then in right side plus minus sign added. So just do that. Now what we get? 4x minus 12 is equals to plus minus 20. Here we have to solve for a plus sign separately and negative sign separately. So just do that. 4x minus 12 is equals to 20 and 4x minus 12 is equals to minus 20. Now after simplifying this, what we get? 4x is equals to 20 plus 12 and 4x is equals to 20 plus 12 is what? 32. So that means x is equals to 8. So here the coordinate is what? 8, 0. Now we have to solve this similarly. So what we get? 4x is equals to minus 20 plus 12. So therefore 4x is equals to minus 8. So therefore x is what? Minus 2. So the coordinate is what? Minus 2, 0. So the answer is what? The coordinates are minus 2, 0 and 8, 0. So the correct option is what? So the correct option is option A over here. So the next question is, the vertex of an equilateral triangle is 2, minus 1 and the equation of its base is x plus 2y is equals to 1. Then the length of its sides is option A 4 upon under root of 15 units, option B 2 upon under root of 15 units, option C 4 upon 3 root 3 units, option D none of this. Let's understand this question by the diagram. So what type of triangle given? Is the equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle given. What is given in the question? The vertex of an equilateral triangle. So suppose this A and B and this is C. So the vertex of A is given as 2, minus 1 and the equation of its base is x plus 2y is equals to 1. So the equation of base means BC. So BC ka equation is what over here? X plus 2y is equals to 1 is given in the question. Now what we have to find? The length of its sides. We know that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So we have to find any length over here. So let's start with the solution. Now what is the given point over here? The given point is x1, y1 is what? 2, minus 1 and the given equation is what? X plus 2y is equals to 1. So we have to convert this equation in general form. So for that we have to put all terms in a left hand side. So what we get? X plus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now compare. With general equation. What we get? A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to minus 1. And what is the value of x1, y1 is 2, minus 1. So here we have to find first the distance between the point A and the line BC. So we have to find this perpendicular distance first, and we know that how to find this distance. So let this distance is d. So the d is given by the formula mod of a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c upon under root of a square plus b square. Now put all the values. What is a? In a mod 1 into x1 is what? 2 plus b is what? 2 into y1 is what? Minus 1 plus c is what? Minus 1 under root of a is what? 1 का square plus b is what? 2, so 2 का square. Now what we get after solving this? Mod of 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus into minus 1 is what? Minus 1 upon 1 का square is 1, 2 का square is 4. So now 2 cancels each other. What we get? Mod of minus 1 upon under root of 5. And what is mod of minus 1 is 1. So 1 upon under root of 5. So this perpendicular distance d is what? 1 upon square root of 5. Now what we have to find? Any distance. So let we have to find over here AB, and AB is what? X. And we also know that the angles between the sides are 60 degree in a equilateral triangle. So in triangle, suppose this point is M, the intersection of perpendicular and the base is M, then in triangle AMB, sine 60 is what? Sine 60 degree is what? D upon AB, and AB is what? X. So D upon X. So just put all the values in this. What we get? First we need to find what? X. So put this on the left side. So what we get? X is equals to D upon sine 60 degree. What is the value of D over here? 1 upon under root of 5 upon sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Now what we get? After solving this, 2 upon under root of 5 into root 3. Now what we get after solving this? 2 upon root 15 units. So which option is correct? 2 upon root 15. So option B is correct. The next question is, if the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line whose intercepts on the axes are A and B, B, P, then option A is A square plus B square is equals to P square. Option B, A square plus B square is equals to 1 upon P square. Option C, 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square is equals to 2 upon P square. Option D, 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square is equals to 1 upon P square. So we have to find which relation is true in this case. So let's understand this question by the diagram. So what is given? A line intercepts on the axes, and given that this intercept is A and this intercept is B. Now, so this is also given that if the length of a perpendicular, so the length of a perpendicular from the origin to the line, from the origin to the line is what? P is given over here. Is what? P. So length of a perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line is what? P. Is what? P is given. And the intercepts are what? A and B. So this is what the x-axis and this is what? Y-axis. And we know that the coordinates of origin is what? 0, 0. To apply the perpendicular distance ka formula, we have to know first the equation of line. So we know that if a line intercepts on the axis, whose equation is given by the double intercept form. So here the intercepts are what? A and B. So then the equation is what? X upon A plus y upon B is equals to 1. So this is the equation of this line. Now we have to convert this equation in general form. So for that we have to cross multiply. So after cross multiply, what we get? X into B plus y into A upon AB is equals to 1. After solving this, what we get? X into B plus y into A is equals to AB. And after simplifying, what we get? X into B plus y into A minus AB is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of line. Now what is the point? And the point is x1 comma y1 is what? 0 comma 0. Now we have to just put all these values in the perpendicular distance ka formula. And what is the formula? The formula is D is equals to mod of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C upon under root of A square plus B square. Now what is A? So for that we have to compare this equation with the general equation. So we have to compare this equation, compare with general equation. What we get? A is what? B, and B is what? The small a, and C is what? Minus AB. And we know the values of x1 and y1 is what? 0, 0. So just we have to put all these values in the formula. And what is the value of D? Is P, given in the equation. That is the given in the equation. D is what? P. So put all these values. What is that? D is what? P. So P is equals to mod of A is what? b into x1 is what? 0 plus capital B is what? Small a. So just put into y1 is what? 0. 0 0. x1 and y1 is what? 0 plus c is what? C is minus ab upon under root of a is what? Small b and b is what? Small a. Now after solving this, what we get? P is equals to, this is 0 0, so no need to write. What we get? Mod of minus ab upon under root of a square plus b square. Now after solving this, what we get? Mod of minus ab is nothing but ab. So what we get? P is equals to ab upon under root of a square plus b square. Now squaring on both sides, what we get? P square is equals to a square into b square upon a square plus b square. A square b square can be sent to the left side, so just do that. A square plus b square is equals to, and p square can be transferred to the right hand side. So what we get? A square b square upon p square. Now what we have to do? Send this to the left side. What we get? So therefore what we get? A square plus b square upon a square b square is equals to 1 upon p square. Now what we get after solving this? 1 upon b square plus 1 upon a square is equals to 1 upon p square. This can be arranged in this way also. 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square is equals to 1 upon p square. So which option is correct over here? 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square is equals to 1 upon p square. So option D is the correct option for this question.